welcome back to my channel where I showcase my daily process on getting a payout. So this is my trading journey on how I trade NQ using ICT concepts, and today was my first day as a funded trader, and as you can see, straight massive loss on a Friday. Unfortunately, I did not I underestimated how quickly we reverse, and I was just taking longs multiple times during that trading session. Like the first one was 3 trades. This one will even load. Oh, it did load. So I'll just show you my plan actually first. So my plan start on Friday. So every day I document a pre-market game plan, and in my pre-market game plan I had the correct bias. I said today I'm really just watching sell side levels. My first focus is previous day low from October 23rd. Price looks to have moved away from PD array, therefore now I'm anticipating continuation. So like I just wanted to see a continuation lower. 4 hour, same thing, anticipate a continuation lower towards this graded area. 1 hour, I see that we had an internal sweep on the lower time frame or weakness showing me that I want to trade through it, then I'll have a high probability draw on liquidity, which is the previous day low. So 7:15, and then I document how I'm feeling. So this is important because you need to know, are you at your peak in terms of emotionally, or do you have something going on? So for me, I was feeling okay. I'm feeling a bit anxious because this is my first day trading a funded account, and this is my first time I've ever passed a funded account evaluation. So I'm really like more nervous to take a trade, if you know what I mean, like anxious, because now it means I can withdraw money if I'm taking profits. So my trade plan was here, November. I'm still not sure if I should take funded account trade. However, I will start by taking a trade on my Lucid. So I got an evaluation as well, which is Lucid. I swear I wrote way more. That's right. I had a more detailed plan. Not sure if it got lost. Oh yeah, sorry, I did have a plan here. So my plan is if market starts selling off instantly, wait for the previous day low sweep. So here's the plan. We got the 9:30 open. If price starts to sell off immediately like we saw, wait for previous day low sweep to give you a buy setup. And the previous day low, previous day low, previous day low. Oh my god. What's happening to my PC? Previous day low was here. First one. And then second one. And then there's a morning session. So first previous day low was swept, and then wait for setup. So that's exactly what I did to give you a buy setup. And then I took a long. So my first long was here. This. And if market retraces higher, wait for midnight opening. So I also anticipated, like, if market just instantly retraces higher at the open to take out all of this equal lows, like LR, low resistance liquidity, if price starts trading up, that's kind of what I wanted more, because then I would know that, okay, we are definitely going lower. That's the manipulation. But instead, prices instantly started dropping, and then the problem was I wanted to long to these highs here, and that is what screwed me, because me trying to long to all of these relatively equal high like all this liquidity, which now we're going to run, looks like. This caused me a lot of pain because this price just didn't move higher, and we're in such a tight range, but this was actually massive. Like the amount of points here is like over 100. So I took trades in this area multiple times, 3 times almost. This was my second trade here, and I was just like, yeah, we're going higher, stop loss here. Just instantly reversed on me. So, and then we had all this move lower, and this is where I really had my pain. So this move lower is literally what destroyed me as a trader, because like at the moment we look bearish, and we are going to slightly sell off at open. I prefer retracement in the morning. This isn't going to be a smooth sell-off. Too many key PD arrays. I wouldn't want to take a sell side sweep. Great gap to fill. I want to see sell side sweep first, which is lower first. Looks like lower first, which it did. I'm scared right now. How does racing? Just took 3 L's in a row. I was oversold on bullish area that we retraced to take out AM highs. Today was so bad I've understood that I'm not good at losing. I'm not good at switching my idea based on what I see. There was too much weakness in the market, but I still have tried to buy 3 times. And then I did my daily review. So this was my funded. Not a great start, but I think what is worse was what I did after that. So I'll show you what I did after that. Like, I had to document so much to understand my problems. Was my bias correct? Yes, I was bearish. Were all the levels hit? No, my morning manipulation wasn't hit. Did your plan come to fruition? Both my ideas didn't work, because I said, if we sell off, I'm going to buy and take out the highs. It didn't work. If we sell off, I'm going to wait until... Oh, sorry, if we go higher, which didn't happen at all. So both my plans didn't come to fruition, ideas, and then it just kept selling off, which was something I just didn't expect, you know, and that destroyed me. So I was blinded by the markets. I felt good going into the day as I had it funded, but 50-50 on taking a trade, and then at the end of the day, I think that was the worst I've ever felt, because I spiraled. Not just this was just my funded account. I blew another 3 accounts, so 3 evals, which I thought I was just trading, but yeah. So I'll make another video on this, like, evals that I was working on, but this is the progress on my funded account. You can see that, look how great I was at, look how consistent I was, like every day, green, green, green. Every Friday I've taken a loss, actually, every Friday. But this one was bad, like straight on the funded, minus 544. I'm definitely going to reduce risk on it, and in the next video I'll review how what I did wrong on my evals, like what I'm going to fix. So that will include, like, I was impulsive trading, I was on the 15-second chart, I was trying to pass at trying to pass my TopStep eval, or get to 50%. So yeah, that's my review for the day for my funded account, and thank you for watching.